Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today, we're going to do day 2 of the deal of the days at Harbor Freight, of the 10 days of deals at Harbor Freight. If you find this useful, please consider liking and subscribing. And here we are. The first one we already went over. It's 30% off all Predator augers, pressure washers, chipper shredders, cultivators, and log splitters. Let's click on that. Pretty straightforward. But here we have it. Day 2. 35% off all Roadshock lights and accessories, and 25% off all motorcycle, ATV, and mower lifts. So overall, I would say really good percentages off so far for the Predator outdoor power tools, essentially 30% off. Any of the Harbros getting some of these. And then we have the Roadshock, of course, we'll take a little bit of a dive into. And just quick note, we had gone over these and we thought these were going to be the Spring Black Friday deals, but of course, a day or two later, they released the Spring Black Friday parking lot sale flyer, and it wasn't these. And so the ones we went over in that video are likely going to be the 10 days of deals. I think we had at least 9 deals in there. Some of these will double up, but we're 3 for 3. This was on here. This was the 30% off. We didn't know the percentages off, of course, but here we have the Predator, all augers, log splitters, chipper shredders, power washers, and auger bits. I know there were some questions if the bits would be available, but it does look like they are. They are here on the website, unless they change it tomorrow. 12 items, 30% off. What are the Harbros going to get? Auger, cultivator, log splitters, and commercial duty pressure washer. Save $270. Nuts. So that's tomorrow. Let me know, Harbros, which one of these, if you are going to get them, which one you're getting. And then for day 2, we have Roadshock lights and accessories, and the motorcycle, ATV, and mower lifts promotion. So this Predator, again, it was 12 items, exactly the same as what we thought it was going to be. And here are the Roadshock and motorcycle lifts. So we're 3 for 3. These were on that Spring Black Friday video I made. But let's look at the motorcycle, ATV, and mower lifts promotion first. We have pretty well priced here. This is 25% off. 25% off all motorcycle, ATV, and mower and ATV lifts. We have this $600 Pittsburgh 1,000-pound steel motorcycle lift, $600 rate compared to Rage Power Sports, and that thing is excellent, especially if you have a hog that you're doing some work on. $600. Don't really need to do the math, but we will. At 25% off. So this times, actually, we do need to do the math. 25% off is hard. $150 off. $150 off. Get it down to $450 for the most pricey lift, motorcycle lift. Then, of course, you have some Pittsburgh steel and aluminum motorcycle lift or ATV lift, lawnmower lift, also Pittsburgh 300-pound. Then the motorcycle wheel vise accessory and the 750-pound heavy-duty ATV mower high lift jack. So that's motorcycles, ATV, and mower lifts, 25% off. And then we have the Roadshock lights and accessories promotion, 35% off. Again, have we seen 40%? I feel like we're dancing with it. 35% off all Roadshock lights and accessories promotion. Again, some pretty pricey lights here. Here we have the 52-inch spot flood combo LED light bar. Light the way up to 2,828 feet ahead. This powerful off-road light bar. Put it on your off-road vehicle. Sounds like a 20 Trucks song. $200. And at 35% off, get it down to $130. Save $70 on this 52-inch spot floodlight combo. And it kind of goes from there. We have the 6 LED off-road spot flood combo at $150. Orange. These are just different covers for the lights. High output combo light offers a long spotlight, 3 light modes, high speed spot floodlight, low floodlight, and amber running light. High speed spot floodlight or low floodlight. Prepare you for any off-road situation. That's $150. Dang, that is a pricey light at $150. But you'd be getting it at 35% off. Get it down to sub $197.50. Did it. And then just other options, 42-inch, 32-inch spot floodlight combos, the 4-inch LED off-road spot flood combo light, both $100 each, save $35. Solid options, some wiring harnesses, smaller lights available. Not sure if these would be practical for any other type of lighting outside of off-road, but the Harbros are clever. Let me know if you can think of something. $25, save 35%. You got some hackery, some MacGyvering that you could do with these lights, because I think these are relatively high quality lights. So that's a Roadshock. We got our motorcycle ATVs, and we have our Predator outdoor 30% off outdoor power tools. What do the Harbros think? And actually, before I let you go, I kind of wanted to do, those are the deals. So we're going to go into some non-deals, but just brainstorming. I know some of the Harbros, a few of the Harbros stay till the very end of the video. So this is for those of you who have stayed till the end. I like to bounce ideas off you a little bit, really a lot of it. Oh, but before we do that, I normally wait till we get closer to the deal so we don't forget about it. But I want to make sure I get this information to you. So we have the weekend deal for next weekend coming up already. It's a free gift weekend. Of course, we have Super Coupon versus ITC, $35 purchase for everybody. Any purchase for ITC, and we'll just read the fine print. 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in store while supplies last, starting next Friday through the 22nd. Receive one of these free gifts, which are the ratcheting tie downs, 4-pack, 400 pounds, titanium steel drill, titanium step drill bit set, 3-piece, and then the Icon 10mm socket set, 4-piece. So this one's super cool, up to a $14 value. But of course, if you're ITC, you can make any purchase. So we'll still probably do a video on this, a reminder later in the week. Just wanted to give the Harbros a heads up, just so you're aware. We have a free weekend going on, and we had these here last time we were here in Canva. Oh, here they are. But I did want to go over our idea of building a custom tool bag, but doing it during a live stream. So the idea would be we'd go through all the coupons. Of course, Harbor Freight has super coupons, ITC coupons, instant savings, parking lot sales, dollar days, and they have those recurring basically through a 1 month to maybe a month in a week cycle. And so we'd go through all of the items and we'd build, my first idea is to build a custom tool bag for like a home DIY, cover all the basis of a home tool bag that you'll need. And we'd go through all the deals together on a live, getting feedback from the Harbros if you happen to join in. And then we'd make a selection of a tool bag. The idea would get to make the most affordable tool bag. We'd pick a tool bag, which makes the most sense. We'd go through and select the most needed hand tools, like the must-haves in a tool bag, and then some miscellaneous items also that would be must-haves in the bag. And that's kind of what I wanted to do. Do a live stream, build a bag, go out and purchase it, and then eventually give it away. But just working on the process, let me know if that idea works or if that's just too crazy. And then one last thing that I wanted to go over. So we're 3 for 3, Roadshock, Predator, motorcycle ATV. That Spring Black Friday deal video we made has this auto detailing bundle promotion, polishers and promotion, the polishers promotion, which we saw in Will Smith's shopping cart. It was the Hercules 20 volt sander polisher. So we thought maybe they were switching up the Hercules bundle, but no, it's actually under the polisher deal. So this makes sense that this polisher promotion will be part of the 10 days of deals. Likely to see an auto detailing bundle promotion as the 10 days of deals. Tool bags and totes and backpacks promotion. We saw the Bauer's right here in his shopping cart. So that seems really likely. Here's the Roadshock. We've confirmed that. But that's a tool bags, totes, and backpacks promotion. So hopefully we see like a 40% off of that. We have a tape measures promotion, which we didn't see in the shopping cart. We have this Hercules bundle, which we're crossing our fingers for that they do as part of the 10 days of deals because we hadn't seen it. And then the towing hitches and receivers promotion, which again is new to the list of promotions. And we haven't seen it, but I didn't see this in Will Smith's shopping cart. Anyways, that's a lot. I know we're all over the place, but I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Let me know what you think of Deal of the Day 2. And if you made it this far, let me know. I think some of you had given me some feedback to do this, build a bag. But I feel like this would be pretty fun. And I would like to do a live stream. And I think it'd be great to get, for the Harbros who are able to join, get that feedback. And we can build these bags together. And we can do this every so often. We'll start off with an affordable home tool bag, DIY. And then we'll go from there. Maybe an affordable DIY car tool bag. Anyways, these are some ideas. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.